The sportier, more upscale 2025 Audi A5 has been unveiled as the current A4 sedan and wagon's replacement. Additionally, when sales of the new Audi A5 Sportback and Avant begin later this month in Europe and early next year in Australia, they will be offered with a full choice of electrified gasoline and diesel powertrains as well as cutting-edge in-car technology. The 2018 Audi A5 is the first vehicle to use the German automaker's Premium Platform Combustion (PPC), which replaces the previous model's MLB architecture. The renaming is part of Audi's policy to assign odd-numbered badges to combustion or hybrid cars and even-numbered designations for pure electric EVs. Although it is unrelated to the Premium Platform Electric (PPE) chassis architecture, which supports the all-new A6 e-tron, PPC is thought to be a significantly improved MLB Evo platform that retains the A5's longitudinal combustion engine mounts. The four-door coupe-type Sportback has replaced the sedan body form, which is more sporty. In contrast, the Avant wagon's rakish rear design gives it a more shooting brake-like appearance rather than a family transporter. It's acknowledged that the current A5 Coupe and Cabriolet won't be replaced. The new Audi A5 Sportback has a substantially wider footprint, measuring 4,830 mm long, plus 67 mm, 1860 mm wide, plus 13 mm, and resting on a wheelbase that extends to 2,900 mm by 68 mm. With its sleek lines and fan wheel arches, the A5 appears to be closely related to the A6 e-tron concept that was unveiled at the Shanghai Motor Show in 2021. Slimmer headlights surround the standard single-frame 3D honeycomb grille up front, while Audi's second-generation OLED taillights, which provide Car2X communications, are located at the back. Following its launch, the new A5 will be offered with mildly hybrid or pure combustion engine options. The latter will use a new MHEV Plus technology that combines two electric motors, a second powertrain generator, PTG, and an integrated starter generator, ISG, into one unit.